But let's talk about the price of Bitcoin and how correlated. I mean, I don't know if you were able to look at that chart. It's almost a mirror image of the NASDAQ. What's happening here?
Well, it's directly correlated. I mean, they're basically treating it. It's bundled in with the FANG stocks, and it's bundled in with what I would say is high growth tech, Andrew, and it'll be correlated until it isn't. That's just one of the weird things about it. There have been periods of time over the last 5 years where it hasn't been correlated or it's broken, apart from it. I don't think that happens again, frankly, until you get a cash Bitcoin ETF or something really changes. Now, the Fidelity announcement is a very big seminal event. Only 21 million coins out there. 19 or so have been mined. Fidelity's got $2.4 trillion in assets, in retirement assets. I mean, 11 trillion or 13 trillion overall. But just think about those numbers. And I think Fidelity's going to end up doing for Bitcoin what that corporation did for the stock market in 401ks in the 80s and into the early 90s. So that could happen over time. And as that happens, you will see those things decouple. If you get a cash ETF, it'll force every wirehouse, every Wall Street firm to have a Bitcoin cash ETF as part of its arsenal and its portfolio when it's talking to their wealth management people. All of those things, I think, will start the decoupling process. But for right now, those two things are in sync, and there's a lot of pain out there. But I think when I look at Bitcoin, I see it as fairly stable, sort of 35 to 42,000. Seems to be bouncing in that range for right now.
Two things. Let's one on Bitcoin, the Fidelity news. It's going to be dependent not just on Fidelity, but it's going to be dependent on corporations who do business with Fidelity to obviously allow their employees to buy into Bitcoin. What are you hearing on that front? How much of that you think is going to get pushed by employees themselves who are going to call up their bosses and say, I want this?
So we had Mayor Suarez here last night. He spoke at our dinner. And he basically said to win the presidency, you need about 60 million votes. There are 73 million people in the United States that own Bitcoin. And so I do think that this bubbles up, Andrew. I think compliance departments and large corporations are going to be reluctant in the beginning, but they're going to get a tremendous amount of reverse inquiry. So, for me, when I look at global wallets for Bitcoin, Glassnodes is now saying that it's over 260 million wallets. Bitcoin, to me, has reached escape velocity. Hopefully, I'll be on the show with you guys, and we'll be talking about 1 billion wallets at some point. That's not too far away. Could that be 3 or 4 years away? But just imagine that combination of things and the reverse inquiry coming into these companies. They will ultimately offer this as a solution. Right. Now, what should people put in Bitcoin? That's a big, broader question. I've been arguing 1 to 5% of the capital.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.